everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I'm excited to be back with Tristan of Toll Brother Homes. And guess what, guys? He is going to show us a quick move-in here at West End, their beautiful one-story villa. And guess what? It's the last one-story villa that Toll Brothers has available at West End at the town center. And as we're walking into 836, we've got 836, I want to remind you, you can look at the floor plan of this home on Nocatee.com's quick move-in page. But the town center communities have been wildly successful since the first one opened years ago. And guess what? This is the last community here in the town center to purchase and live. And don't forget the walkability. Everybody wants to be in the town center, especially if you want to walk to the various shops, restaurants, healthcare, and the most fun area, the spray and splash water parks. So we've now walked in. I'm going to let Tristan tell us what are we looking at and what's the square footage of this.
So this is our Egret floor plan. It's 1,804 square feet. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single level. You have your primary bedroom at the back, and then we have our other 2 bedrooms just down this hallway right here.
And I love that Toll Brothers has kept it very neutral colors, so as we come in, it's very bright using that white. You can also, of course, paint it yourself, guys, but what a beautiful floor plan. And this is one of our favorite parts. We've seen this in previous videos, but it's your own little area. There's some customers, Tristan was saying, that turn this into an office. And how would you make it private, Tristan? And Carling, you can maybe show this as you back out.
Yeah, so people do a couple of different things with it. Some people make it a small office. Some people will make it a little art room or an extra storage space. But you do have your AC handler right to the right here. And then you can put a pocket door just after the AC handler or right here. So the AC handler is inside the room.
So you could also, I love that, you can make it private. And then look here, you've got a little niche right here, so you could put a piece of furniture. I love that Toll Brothers used angles and lines in this floor plan. So you can really put a lot of furniture and a lot of things to keep it user-friendly. And we're going into the front bedroom, nice size bedroom. Very pretty closet. And then we gotta look at my favorite room, the laundry room. So you've got a nice pocket door there so you can close it out. I like that you guys put your cabinets in there, Tristan.
Yep, for sure. This is your garage right here.
Nice bathroom with the double sink. And Tristan just opened up the garage. Okay, can I fit 2 cars in there?
Absolutely. You can fit 2 cars or 1 car and a golf cart. Yeah, it is a full-size 2-car garage.
So very nice, guys. So you can have your 2 cars inside, or like Tristan said, put your golf cart, your kayak canoe, by the way, because guess what? Living in Nocatee, there are 2 kayak canoe and paddleboard locations. I actually met a family yesterday that ran into the Welcome Center and said, we bought paddle boards, we're so excited. Yeah. I was like, oh yeah, it's exciting. Go to the Nocatee Landing. And if you do want to see the Nocatee Landing, we've done a video there and a video of all the amenities that you can see on Nocatee.com, so you can check out the lifestyle and why you should live here. So as we're walking out to the main living space, look at the size, look how, it's just very expansive. You've got a beautiful kitchen. I'm gonna let Tristan take us through because Toll Brothers didn't let us down. They've put a nice features in here.
So we have beautiful quartz countertops and with 42-inch cabinets with your crown molding. We also have a built-in gas stove with your double ovens. Actually, this is an oven and this is your built-in microwave. You have a beautiful farmhouse sink, soft closed drawers with these larger drawers right here, which are all perfect size for your pots and pans and what have you.
Lots of storage. And okay, I'm loving that the builders are doing this, guys. Look at this. No space is unused. You got your little lazy Susan going around. You know, I love that. That's where your spices are gonna go, or your secret stash of stuff.
There you go, there you go.
But again, no space is unused. Very smart build. Love the floors too. Carling, if you'll show the floors, again, that beautiful neutral color. Looks beautiful, easy to clean the entire home. Very beautiful. These villas, by the way, have been selling so quickly, and Tristan shared you have only a handful left.
So we have a total of 4, but this is the last single-story villa that we have here at West End.
I mean, so guys, you better call Tristan today because these villas are going to sell out, especially in the summertime. Because as I mentioned earlier, you are walking distance to the Spray and Splash water parks, Blue Water Bar and Grill. They do sell beer, wine, and liquor. They sell food at the water parks. And some fun things that happen there: Food Truck Fridays, typically every other Friday. The Farmers Market, the 3rd Saturday every month. And the best part is, if you bring your family there and you say, hey, I just want to go home, because you're living so close, it's no big deal to run home.
Correct.
You are literally across the street from that amenity complex. Okay, thank you, Toll. We've got this beautiful hard roof covered lanai area, lots of space, and you can have a fence here.
Absolutely. So if you see, this fence has been finished off, so you have the privacy on that side. If you wanted to totally fence this off, you would just add one additional one on this side, then you'd have a fully private fenced backyard.
So that's a really good selling point to why should you buy this villa from Toll Brothers is you already have 2 parts totally complete. Guess what, guys?
100%.
You're almost move-in ready.
2/3 of the way there.
You're almost there. And then I love the slider, how you can, of course, in our cooler months, have this open. You can have your outdoor, indoor living. It's great that our builders have been doing this. People really love the open floor plans, and this villa does not disappoint. Great job, Toll Brothers. And now we're going into the owner's suite, and I'm calling it an owner's suite because you are in the front of this villa. You are separate from those other 2 rooms. So if you do have people living with you, your kids, young people, your parents, we have a lot of multi-generational living. I like that you're separate from them.
100%. You got a little bit of separation so you can have your privacy.
Very pretty.
You have your tray ceiling. So that largest or the highest part is going to be 10 feet. You have 9-foot ceilings throughout this home.
And just a reminder, the light in the middle, you can turn that into a beautiful fan light combination.
Absolutely.
So much you can do. Great shower, tile to the ceiling, very
to the
nice.
ceiling, yep.
Yeah, a little nice added touch. The double sinks, nice size closet. And again, loving the colors that you put in this quick move-in.
Yeah.
I think you make it very just user-friendly, make it
100%.
that everybody loves this. And you guys, Toll Brothers has been with Nocatee since the very beginning, and I want to just mention that because the first home sold in 2007, Toll Brothers being one of the builders back then.
Oh, wow.
And Toll Brothers is one of our 3 original communities. I'm bringing up these fun facts because, guys, Nocatee now has 50 neighborhoods and less than 1,000 homes to sell. That is it. Nocatee will be sold out very soon. So this West End villa by Toll Brothers really, when we say is one of your final opportunities, we're actually not kidding. We've been doing these videos for almost a decade. It's been so much fun, and to have Toll Brothers as one of the original builders, it just goes to show the respect that Nocatee loves you guys, loves all of our builders, and we can't wait for you to purchase this 1-story villa in West End at Town Center. It's an exciting time to be in Nocatee because one day we'll say goodbye. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.